If you're experiencing issues with Rocket League multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and calibrate your settings for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh the game and resolve temporary connectivity issues. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access the network settings in Rocket League and check if you need to change any options. Consider switching from automatic to manual settings for better control over your connection. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the multiplayer issues in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.